Yeah. Here is coming here. So
Slide wording then keep separate.
just a minute. So from here to screw press, right now it is coming here. So I will take select, make a type. It is coming here, right?
Yeah. That from that pump it is coming in.
Correct. And node number 6, what is node number 6? Is order control. Okay. So for that we are happy. Okay. So now let us continue the no flow scenario here. In the same node number 4 only, I will combine node number 4 and 5 together. And
enough separate, keep 5 separate. 4 is pump, sludge holding.
Okay, only screw pump. Okay, understood.
Along with the polymer dosing.
Correct. Agree. So we are going for the same one since the screw press is here. So we'll review it. Now coming back to
Polymer dosing.
Polymer dosing is different one. Polymer dosing is different this one. You have considered.
Polymer dosing is on the same PNID.
Okay, but this is not number 11. You want to combine it? I can combine.
Yeah,
But this,
and in case the dose is the
Combined location.
I think let us make it separate because there are many things. The water is there. So that is why you have kept it separately.
like polymer dosing bomb, it will link with the operation of the sludge dewater.
This is all are linked together on system.
I can combine, but this is very complex. Only we have got 16, 17 no flow poses. So see, division is not a problem. Ultimately, we should not miss it. So I would suggest let make it separate one so that polymer preparation, storage, transfer, and dosing will be a separate one. Yeah. Okay, guys. So yeah. We will not miss anything. So here, ultimately, if your screw press is not working, it trips. So what is the consequence?
Standby should be stopped.
ESDU 1601. Node number 4